Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in the bag. Alright. Well, we have a stamped cross stitch, and this comes from a store that is new to me. I've never done a review for them. This is from PaintByNumberDay, and if they have any specials or if I have any discount codes, I will put them right here and in the description box below. So let's take a look at this kit. Let me get it out of the bag. All right, I am back. Now I will put a picture of this right in here and leave it for a second because the picture is kind of big and there's a lot of detail. So as you can see, this is Copenhagen and it was $13. It is a 50 by 40, so it's not too big. And this comes from the Huacan store and it has 40 colors. 40 colors from Huacan. I'm blown away. Just absolutely blown away. The paper pattern is kind of small, but it's still readable. There's no smudges, no smears. You have your product number up here, how big it is here, and at the bottom it's 147 by 190. So very nice, and it's an 11 count, so it will be able to see. It looks a little confetti, but that's okay because there, like I said, there's a lot of detail in this. So I hope that it will look okay. I'm not sure, you know, if it should have been maybe bigger or smaller. I don't know. We're going to find out though. Let's take a look at what colors we have. Let's see. We have 154, which is mulberry. We have 310 black. We have 550 purple. Yay! We have 666 red. We have 823. No 939. No 3371. And there is 3866. So there's no 3865. So I think 66 is another, we'll call it shade of white, if you will. So we'll take a look better when we see all the colors. But I'm very happy that there's no smudges or smears. And the paper pattern will match the canvas for symbols. It does come with an instruction sheet, like most of them do, on how to start, how to finish, what to do afterwards. Even shows you how to do some stitches at the bottom. So very nice. Let me put that right there. Does have a toolkit. We have the little blossom. I don't know that you can or can't see it. Nope, that's even more so. Yep, it has to be this side. We have 5 needles, poop ball, thin ball, and needle threader. I think it is awesome that they send this to in all the kits, you know, that they put out, because if you're new to this, you're not going to have this kind of stuff hanging around. And that way you can start right away, and I just love it. I really do. I think it's a nice gesture on the part of the factories that put them all together and the companies. So, yeah. Well, let's take a look at this color here. Now, before I do that, we're going to take this. Product number is 2633. 2633 on the canvas and 2633 on the bag of colors. So let me put that back up there because you never know if you need it or not. Sometimes I need it, so it happens. Let me get these colors out. All right. Very, very pretty bright. Some are bright and vivid. Some are pastel. There's your reds. You have some turquoise. Isn't that pretty? So a wide array of colors. Look at that blue. Oh my goodness. Might be 996. I'm not sure. We have greens. We have that mulberry color. There's your 550 purple. There's your black right next to it. We have some browns. Let me see if I can fan it out a bit. They're just kind of all been mooshed together. But isn't that gorgeous? Just absolutely stunning. Look at that gold next to that reddish orange. Isn't that beautiful? Let's flip it over. Oh, even better. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Very, very nice colors. So there'll be a nice wide array of colors. And I'm glad this canvas is not huge. You know I like 50 by 40. It's a nice size. It's not too small. It's just perfect. Let me get it together here. I don't want anybody to get lost. Let's take a look at the canvas. Canvas is serged all the way around. Now this one's kind of thick and a bit stiff, but it is that kind. We're gonna start this sooner or later, so. But it crunches down. It takes no time at all, but it has kind of a rougher surface than some of the brand new ones, and I prefer it. It's easier to hang onto your hand, in your hand, and it doesn't cut your hand or anything like that. The serging just barely grazes the edge of the numbers, but your numbers are going to be on your paper pattern, so not to worry if you're looking for the DMC number. Let's see here. 50.5 centimeters or 19.75 inches by, I'm trying, about 15.75 inches or 40 centimeters. The actual picture size is a little over 43.5 centimeters or 17.25 inches by, if I can get it to lay flat, almost 13.25 inches or 33.5 centimeters. So it's not too big. It has lots of diversity. There's not like the background is all one color and all that. They've broke that down. I really like that. It makes it look a little bit more defined. So, yeah. But I wanted to get this one to go with New Orleans, San Francisco, London, anybody else? Oh, Amsterdam, you know, collecting those major city things. So, yeah, for $13, I think it's a really good kit. And I'm really impressed that it has 40 colors. That just blew me away. I expected it to be 28, but no. Very, very, very nice. Now, Paint by Number Day has only cross stitch. They do not have diamond painting or paint by number. They have over, what did I see? 500 accessories for just sewing. And they have over 5,600 different kits for just cross-stitch kit. They do have some craft things, you know, like your bookmarks or your pillowcases and all that. And they do have the silk stamped cross-stitch kits, if I could just talk. Now, I know I have a 10% discount code, so feel free to use that in any way you feel possible. And they do have free shipping on orders over 59 euros. I'm not sure how that all works out in pounds or dollars. So I would say maybe somewhere between $60, $70, maybe. I'm just guessing in my brain because I don't have a clue. Now they do have a separate section that has Joy Sunday, Mona Lisa, the Jinli, the Yashu, and Hulacan. So you can just go to each one of those if you prefer those types of kits. And this did say it had a Huracan kit, in it. So I was pretty impressed. I really like their selection of things and what they have to offer. And their prices are just amazing. So do check them out. Thank you, PaintByNumberDay, for this gorgeous kit that we're going to start today in my June Saturday stitching because it's buildings. Yay! So, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.